Cross-Section Sound Effects by Digifx Series X is a special selection of general sound effects and ambience tracks chosen to provide good coverage for the smaller budget in 9 specific sound effects categories, including city, rural, transport, industry, domestic, office, leisure, sports, and human sounds. Each ambience track in the collection provides more than 5 minutes of continuous background sound. These 224 stereo effects are available on 12 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete collection or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644, 1648, or 2448 broadcast wave files. Cross-Section Sound Effects by Digifx Series X, only from Sound Ideas.